If you are looking for an adventure or an exciting way to experience Bangkok, if you want to see a side of Bangkok most visitors don't see, then this video is for you. Because today I will show you why Bangkok is known as the Venice of the East and how to travel like a local for just 20 baht. Follow me. The main canal line starts near the mall Bangkok and runs all the way to the Golden Mount Temple, not far from Khao San Road. These boats pass a number of popular areas of the city, as well as many interesting places along the way. The boats run from early morning until 8 p.m., arriving at the piers every 15 minutes, and cost only 10 to 20 baht, depending on how far you want to go. Don't worry about payment, you simply get on the boat and sometime later a check taker will walk by to collect the fee in exchange for a ticket. After that, all you have to do is to enjoy the exciting journey. You shouldn't try to get in or out before the boat has completely stopped. Be patient just for your own safety. Some people says it's dirty and dangerous, but I have different opinion. To me it's reliable, fast and fun service, with clean and well-maintained boats, which helps to save a lot of time traveling into the city without worrying of getting stuck in Bangkok's traffic jams. Yes, indeed, the canal water is quite dirty, but every boat has got transparent plastic sheets on both its sides that you can lift or lower to protect yourself of water splashes. It's a unique trip to experience Bangkok on the river and a pleasant way to get to the Golden Mount and Khao San Road, explore the old town streets and temples, and then get back to Siam. Well guys, that's it. If you like the video, then share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.